Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing that I just got in the mail today. This is a model that I've wanted for so long. Ever since I got into aviation, I've always wanted to get this model, and I did get one in the old colors, but this is the Gemini 200 Delta Airlines MD-88 in the new colors. So I'm so excited to get into this. I just flew an MD-88 not too long ago for the first time, and I actually really enjoyed it. So I'm glad to have flown one before they're eventually retired in the next couple years. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this and take a look. Alright, there it is. Wow, does that look nice? So you can see it says McDonnell Douglas MD-80, which I think is kind of interesting, even though this is clearly an MD-88. So of course it says Gemini 200. This time it's kind of a shiny, reflective gold color instead of the normal bronze color on the other boxes. Also says Delta, and there's the plane right there. Registration November 909 Delta Lima, or 9er09er. It also says 1 to 200 scale. Same thing on this side and the back. This was a 2015 release. Let's just go ahead and get into this. So this box has a button, which is kind of interesting. There she is. Wow, this looks super nice. Holy crap. Alright, so let's go ahead and close up the box here. And let's get it out of the way. And let's go ahead and take a look at some of the details. Okay, so up front you can see we have the cockpit windows, the iconic MD-80 cockpit windows. We also have some of the nose cone details and the windshield wipers, the first door with the SkyTeam logo on it. And then we have the front gear, and it says 909 on it. Moving back, we have the Delta titles and the first and second antenna on the top and bottom. Moving back, more of the windows. There's the emergency exits and the rotating beacon light just above it there. The registration right there. The rear door, which is how you can differentiate the DC-9 from the MD-80, is there is a door on the left side of the aircraft right in front of the engine. And then of course we have the nice JT8D engines, which are one of the best sounding, if not the best sounding engine in my opinion. And then of course we have the Delta tail, the Delta T-tail I should say. And on the wings you can see they have some really nice details as well. And if we look on the bottom here, you will see it says Delta on it, which is really cool. And of course it says Gemini jets, and we have some more antennas. Wow, this is incredibly nice. So that is about it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I sure did. This is such an awesome addition to the collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.